Welcome to our Advanced App Enablement series. In this video, we will walk you through how to configure and deploy our LLM-powered agent classifier to split and categorize incoming documents. We start on our Visual Flow Editor canvas, where we have our process files OCR step ready. Let's drag the agent classifier step from our right sidebar right onto the workspace. Selecting the classifier node, we click Link Module and select Create New Module. We will name this Classifier_1 and click Create to initialize our brand new classifier module. This immediately opens our text editor, showing the classifier schema. Since we are building a passport and driver license classifier, we replace the default schema with clean, natural language definitions for both our passport and driver license classes. Once saved, we navigate back to our main flow tab. Now we select Link Module again on our agent classifier node to bind our newly saved classifier schema directly to this execution step. Next, we click Flow Settings to configure our input and output directories. In our Explorer, we create a new folder named Input and upload our sample passport and driver license files. The files upload instantly. Back in our Flow Settings, we select our new Input folder as our source. Then we create and select a clean Output folder to house our final processing results. With our configuration complete, we click Test Run in the top right. Instabase schedules the job, executes our OCR and LLM classification steps in parallel, and finishes processing the batch. Clicking View Results opens the Flow Review interface. Here, we can verify that our agent classifier successfully categorized every single file as either a passport or a driver license with perfect accuracy, purely based on our natural language definitions.